Now, the shortage of pilots at Kenya Airways has caused disruptions in its flight operations, forcing the airline to either cancel or reduce frequencies of flights and, in some cases, combine flights to several destinations. Some of the affected destinations include Kinshasa, and then we have Kigali, Harare, Lilongwe, and Comoros. This, the airline says, is due to a go-slow by the pilots. According to a statement by Kenya Airways this afternoon, the airline says this was the situation for the better part of the weekend, and as at 2 p.m. today, the situation was normalizing. It says affected passengers were, quote, taken care of. NTV has learned that these passengers were placed in other airlines. The Kenya Airline Pilots Association, that's KALPA, has not issued a statement regarding this, but the situation is seen as a, quote, withdrawal of goodwill by the pilots.